Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve deep into the latest in tech and innovation. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most sought-after home energy solutions, the Tesla Powerwall 3. Tesla, known for revolutionizing electric vehicles, has brought that same innovation into our homes with their advanced battery technology. The Tesla Powerwall 3 isn't just a battery, it's a cornerstone of sustainable living. Designed to seamlessly integrate into both new and existing solar setups, it promises to redefine how we harness and store energy. Let's talk performance. With a significant upgrade in power output compared to its predecessors, the Powerwall 3 boasts an impressive continuous power output of 11.5 kilowatts. That's more than double what we've seen before, making it ideal for handling peak energy demands in your home. Whether it's running your AC or charging your electric vehicle. Internally, it features a robust lithium-ion battery with a 13.5 kilowatt-hours capacity and a 100% depth of discharge. This means you can utilize all of its stored energy without compromising its longevity, backed by Tesla's unparalleled unlimited cycle warranty. Managing your energy usage has never been easier with the Tesla app. From monitoring real-time data to setting customized energy reserve levels for emergencies, the app empowers you to optimize your energy consumption with just a tap on your phone. Now, how does it stack up against its predecessors? Unlike the modular design of the Powerwall 2, the Powerwall 3 offers improved power output but sacrifices modularity. This means if you're looking to expand your system over time, you're limited to up to 4 units, unlike the Powerwall 2's scalability up to 10 units. So, is the Tesla Powerwall 3 the right choice for your home? With its unmatched warranty, high power output, and seamless integration with solar systems, it's undoubtedly a top contender in the market. However, if modularity and expandability are crucial for your long-term energy plans, you might want to consider the Powerwall 2 or explore other options. That wraps up our in-depth review of the Tesla Powerwall 3. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews. Have questions or want to share your experiences with the Powerwall? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep powering towards a sustainable future with Product Critique.